happy birthday. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy, 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 happy birthday. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Well, it's been a few years since you were born, and we're so glad you came into our time. So close your eyes, make a wish, blow out the candles, everyone. Happy birthday, happy, 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 happy birthday. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy, 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 happy birthday. Happy, 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 happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Sam, kumusta ka na? Happy birthday. Sana ay marami pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo. At kung ako naman, ang tatanungin mo, ay okay naman ako. Sige, at yung sabi ko sa'yo, maghanap pa ng church dyan, at mag-attend ka ng Monacan Church, at lagi ka mag-pray. Huwag mo ako alilahanin, okay lang ako. At sana ikaw din ay okay ka rin. Huwag kang malungkot yan. Laging alalahanin ng Panginoon. Delight in the Lord always, and He will give you the desires of your heart. Sige, happy birthday. Happy birthday.